Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you notice that your blower is not putting out as much hot air as usual, then your blower may have a problem with decreased airflow. This decrease in flow occurs because of the build-up of dust and other particles which block off the vent. To remove the debris, use a wet, dry vacuum and thoroughly clean the vent. 4 June 2009.
Take our lead.
A fireplace fan blower uses a space behind the fireplace to heat up air before it's blown out into the room. This conductive heat transfer uses new air pulled in through vents, not air from your fire. This means the draft of your fireplace unit is not affected at all. 15 November 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Step 1. Remove plate. With the fireplace completely cool, open the fireplace insert where you will be installing the fireplace blower. Step 2. Remove old blower. Step 3. Clean up. Step 4. Choose blower motor. Step 5. Install and connect blower. Step 5. Turn on and adjust blower. The 24th of July 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, they are effective as they help the home get warmer quicker and do not waste any electricity while doing so. They are also noiseless, so you do not have to worry about the fan being too loud. They can also ensure warmth 20% faster than having no stove fan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.